are the Michelin Road series of tyres more puncture prone? The reason I ask is we've been quite unlucky because Carol's got another one on her street triple. As you can see, it's only a tiny one. The latest back tyre is the result of having a puncture in the back tyre. That was on a Road 6 Michelin, and that stranded you up in Derbyshire, and I think we've got that on film. Don't need to make that hole any bigger. That is messy. Previous to that, when you're at the TT, and that was on a Road series of tyre, I think it's probably a Road 5, that was a back tyre puncture. Are we just really unlucky? I'm fed up of replacing tyres before they're worn out. I can plug this, we've got the plug-in kit, and if we were on tour I'd plug it. But I want this to be a safe repair and a good repair, so I'm going to go to Wheelhouse Tyres and see if they can repair it for me. I'd rather pay a professional to repair it, and if they won't repair it, we'll put a new tyre on it. I'll get back to you when we get back. Right guys, well, 2 hours later, and I've been to Wheelhouse Tyres. Can you guess whether we repaired it or whether it's a new tyre? Yes, it's a new tyre. I do love the service Wheelhouse Tyres in Birmingham give you. Rode straight there, didn't ring them. They've got a tyre in stock. They fitted it. They could have repaired the old one, but they couldn't do the repair today. So just for convenience wise, I just decided to go for a new tyre and not have to take the bike back to him next week while I'm working. 164 quid. Now I asked the guy behind the desk whether he thought Road 6s, Road 5s were more prone to getting punctures than normal tyres. He thought that they were just the best selling tyre, and that's why you heard more people complain about getting punctures, because there's more of them on the road. My advice, if you are touring with the Road 5s, Road 6s, always make sure you've got these with you. The plug repair kit, which is the glue and the sticky sticks that you push through, and a little compressor. That's been brilliant. We've used that loads because I had a puncture on my MT10, and that was in the Bridgestone tyre actually. So you don't always get a puncture in Michelins. Michelin Road 6. Since I made the first part of this film, we've just been on holiday up into Wales, and I'm just coming down the M6 toll. Guess what? Another puncture in another Road 6. Look at that, flat as a bloody fart. This is really, really beginning to piss me off.
Are we just unlucky though?
Unlucky? Anything more? There. Stop the bike from pulling forward, Carol. See.
That's what it seems to be doing.
I think we need to go and find a filling station. The closest filling station with air.
How much has it got in there?
19.
Okay.
It's got enough to ride.
Yeah.
Just. Can you hear it running?
Yeah.
So it's held that pressure we put in. Right, let's try and get to Wheelhouse Tyres. Yeah, at least it's held its air from our little repair up on the just off the motorway. Right, let's get back out of Tamworth that way if we can. What a pisser. And it's raining. Just typical. New tyre. Right, see you again. Ta-ra. Yes folks, another Road 6 is on, but this will be the last. Well, it wasn't quite at the end of our little Welsh tour that you've not seen yet, that we're hoping for, but we now have another Road 6, but this, honestly, it'll be the last one if we get another puncture. And the only reason I put another Road 6 on this bike is because they advised it to match the one that was on the front, so hopefully they'll both wear out about the same time. So what do you think? You like them, don't you? But you don't like the way we keep replacing them.
I like them, but I think it may just be unlucky. I don't think any other tyre is going to be any better.
How can we be so unlucky?
I just think it's just the way it is sometimes, because we haven't had tyres for years. We haven't had punctures for years, and then just lately we seem to have had more.
Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and remember, let me know if you've had problems with Road 5s or Road 6s getting punctures.
Well,
anyway.
Is there anything out there immune to getting punctures?
I don't think there is.
No, not if you want some sticky rubber anyway.
No, anyway, thanks very much for watching. Catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.